It might do.
See,
I gotta double check. I maybe should have done one test before to make sure. I still got some time. It says send us your video. I am. It doesn't. Can you just double check and help me, bro? It doesn't say I'm live, does it?
let me check.
I don't think it does. Oh, maybe it does. Oh, it does. Oh, okay.
Don't see it.
Do you know? Oh, if I put this on private, maybe it's on private.
Refresh.
It's definitely public. It says public.
Oh yeah, yeah, it's
You see
got
it?
it.
You see it, yeah? Okay.
Yeah, yeah.
Nice. I just want to see, like, it says ultra low latency. What's the max it has? Oh, it's literally like 2 seconds delay. Oh, that's perfect. Okay.
Awesome.
I haven't checked this market since that overnight session. Like from where we closed. Oh, we almost took that high out. Wow.
You take it out on ES. Yeah, did bro. Did on ES.
Did
No,
it?
my bad. No.
Okay. Well, I'm gonna do them at like the higher time frame analysis now. So where we have a daily fair value gap. I'll mark the line. There was SMT though. There's actually, oh, so this is really interesting. It's called like second stage SMT, yeah. It's what you were
Yeah,
sort of describing last time, but it's a bit different. Like, so do you remember where, let's say we've had the smart money reversal and then we're coming down. So we would look at like this for SMT, and then you were saying like about this SMT, yeah. And
yeah.
I think I remember you asking me like if I had a name for this. It's not this. This is like so what I'm about to say is like a completely different thing, but it's like when you get this kind of um it's like a three pattern SMT. We had it last week, and I remember we were talking a little bit about it, but we didn't put much like emphasis on it. But it's like SMT that confirms SMT, and it's kind of what we got here. Like we made SMT on this high, and then we did it again. And so like this is actually a strong SMT
Oh,
because of that. But I think I need to check that 4 hour again. I'm trying to eat some big boy meal as well. Just some cereal. Real traders dinners.
Long time.
Huh? What?
Maybe I should. I haven't eaten cereal in a long time. It's almost like 7 years, maybe.
What cereal?
Yeah,
Mad.
I do like. Mm, Six days out of seven, I eat eggs and
Whoa.
toast with avocado. Yeah,
Whoa, whoa, whoa. You're on some like health journey.
and sesame. Yeah, bro.
Okay, we need to get our analysis for this session though. So we already did the external to internal. I think we touched discount. Maybe we get another sweep of this low, but do you know what? We actually might just hold inside here. This is a 4 hour. Oh, look, this is interesting.
Given gi- given that second stage SMT and a daily BC, I'm thinking
We've already got
I might
SMT right now.
drop into yeah, drop into that daily FEG,
Do you
and then
think?
maybe yeah.
We could. Oh,
If it had to go up, it's continue higher. We wouldn't have seen that big red candle. You might want to go down into daily FEG
true.
market.
Well, we don't. I don't ever do anything before 9:30, but this does look like a valid trade. Like from what we had here, we dropped back below the weekly open, the daily open. A retracement to fill in some of this leg, even if it was to continue lower. Hmm. We can't take anything like this though.
Yeah,
Oh, and we
sun
oh,
also.
it's clean, bro. It's clean because wait, it touched the oh yeah. Look at how clean this is, bro. It touched
SMT.
and closed on like the NWOGs. So you see how I was saying like we need NWOGs for our trades. Look how like it's this green bar here. We like drop into it and it like holds it. So this is really strong. 9:30 might do we have news? No. 9:30 might just
Yeah,
blow.
no news today.
Hmm. Have you seen like the ICT memes where ICT traders will say, okay, I can't trade Monday because it's a no news Monday. I can't trade Tuesday because it's a day before CPI. I can't trade Wednesday because it
Seen that?
NFP. Yeah, it's just like you can't trade any day. I,
Crazy.
I
Yeah,
it's so true. You know, I used to be like that where now I used to not trade like very very specific times, but now I only skip bank holidays. That's it. Because it's kind of in the name, bro. It's a bank holiday. I think it's a bit deep.
yeah.
Oh, I wanted to keep that position on so we can see like do it a little bit before something like that. We're just like pattern watching now.
So now we have SMT, internal SMT, and also SMT on the highs. Which direction are you thinking?
Oh, let me get back onto that higher time frame. Oh, so this was your. I don't think that this is internal. It is an internal leg, but it's because that this leg this it's because this low is like fairly significant. It's not like a low like this. Do you know what I'm saying? I don't know how to describe it, bro. This is like a bit of discrepancy. But if you wanted to say stay safe, you could always just say yeah, in external, external. When I'm looking at
Yeah, you see
internals,
that?
yeah, I'm looking at like
Hmm.
these random little lows that are like they're not really significant. I want like the whole session to be the low,
Okay.
something like that. That'd be what was you saying?
No, there's something that you do, right? The one from midnight. Yeah, yeah, that one. That SMT.
Yeah.
Thinking that. So what you're saying is, instead not a session low or anything major, it's not it's not valid
No,
basically,
no,
or not high probability.
yeah. So obviously SMT can happen anywhere, but the best SMTs are on them like the more important lows and highs, and the important lows and highs are always going to be like the main external lows and highs, which will typically be like your daily lows and highs, or the session lows and highs. So not just like any random low inside the session. We're talking like so you see how if we drew out London session, it's from like 2 to like I don't know, let's just do 5 whatever, right? We can include this as well, this like high. This is the like the proper high that was made. So we would want to use that. And like it's not really a good low to use. Whereas it just looks strong, doesn't it? It looks
Yeah,
yeah.
it looks like a good swing point and draw SMT from.
Yeah. It just looks significant. It doesn't look like these little lows in this leg here.
Yeah, yeah.
See, oh, it's not far from take profit, so it might actually hit take profit for the like 9:30 open. But this is why as well, yeah. I got rid of that journal. You know, on that journal you sent me, I got rid of missed trades because this is exactly like this is what I'm talking about, bro. I'd be counting this as if this hits take profit, I'd be counting this as a missed trade, when it in reality it's not because it weren't the strat, it weren't the rules.
Let's see
We
what open
we
gives us in 20 seconds.
we honestly might have actually missed the move, like in terms of because sometimes like oh this is interesting. Sometimes 8:30 is the manipulation and 9:30 is just the continuation. 9:30, 8:30 actually did the manipulation because that's what this whole leg down here is. So then now we might, oh, so it did hit take. Oh, look at it, bro. Man. So yeah, we might just like continue now. There might not be like what we expect, where it's like sweep that low, then go higher, because it already did that. I got written in my rules that if like 8:30 manipulates, 9:30 will have a continuation, and that's kind of what's just played out.
It looks good on 15 minute. Got IFEG, got CIST. It's good if you still want to go long.
You could if you looked at like a higher time frame setup. Um, so just how we would look at the 1 minute. This is your CISD. You've got inverse and fair value gaps. So it looks okay actually, but it's not something I'm gonna do. Plus, you know what I want to do? I've put on my stream, yeah, like a win rate bar, like just some text that I'll fill out after like every
Yeah,
stream for the next one. I'm gonna keep a track record of like my wins and losses. That way, it's like honest, you know. Someone that comes and has a look, they know, okay, I always took 10 losses, I mean, 10 wins, 3 losses. So 80% win
yeah,
rate or something. Keeps me a bit more accountable.
100%.
But bro, if you wanted to enter this trade, how are you gonna enter? Like, where are you gonna get in? It'd have to be in this gap
Right
somewhere.
now, yeah, definitely. I'll wait for it to take out the highs and then look for a retracement. Then we would have the dealing range. And once we have our dealing range, I'm gonna look to enter inside the 15-minute period. That could be any time after between 10:30, if it gives me by then.
Okay, that's a fair point, but just as a thought or something to consider,
Hmm.
that's assuming I get what you're saying, right? So you want that high to be taken, come back in, and for a continuation. But that's assuming that today is a trending day. Now, I'm not going to be that guy, but it is a no news Monday. And so typically, no news Mondays like to go like this, you know? Like takes buy side and takes sell side a lot. So I don't know. It could be that sounds like it could be like a fair template. You know, we take buy side, come back for
Yeah.
internal, and take external again, and then maybe I don't know. Yeah,
If you look at higher time frame, you got daily, you got daily FEG. Uh, but looking at R, wait, why is my chart? Daily FEG below. But it seems like it's definitely. I mean, not definitely, but it really seems to me that it's gonna go higher today. It's gonna be a trending day
should be.
for
Yeah,
me because we have a um, like a doji. I don't know how we call what we call it in terms of ICT, but we have the doji. And when I see a doji in a trending, like the day before was on 17th, it was like a good trending day. And then we got doji. That's like manipulation or like um, what is it called? Forget my terms, but let me call it doji for now. After I see a doji, it should be a trending day for me.
yeah,
Not my um, yeah. So given that if that SMT is valid on the lows that we drew earlier, and if it takes out buy side, and if it respects the 15-minute um, BC, think that's a good entry point or
yeah,
point of interest to enter
for sure.
for me.
I I'm gonna like add to what you're explaining too, kind of like with what I see. Um, there's a nice like fair value gap link concept. Like that's someone else called it that, but the concept's like well known. It's when you get a displacement that leaves a fair value gap, then you come back into that fair value gap and you like instantly leave it again, so it doesn't consolidate and leaves another fair value gap. That second fair value gap is extremely high probability. Like an entry in here is where you it is, and so on the 4 hour, I can literally see this exact same thing.
Yeah,
We got a fair value gap. We like made a BPR. We touched the volume imbalance. Oh, there's buy side. Okay, Renez.
but
Oh wait, you've got the account, bro. Don't take this trade on that account, please. do it on like the alpha, what the other one, the aqua one. Don't do like a trade here now on your my funded futures. You there, yeah? We might actually get SNC. Oh, yo, what's up, big man? Oh, I didn't see this just till now. Man, like LP3. I don't know if you're still here, bro, but basically, we missed. Well, we didn't miss. It's just we had a setup here, and it kind of occurred before 9:30, so we couldn't take it since we don't know what 9:30 is gonna do for sure. Anyways, I should have left this sweep till after. It's kind of unfortunate. I think ES might end up catching up to this buy side too. So if we could get like a discount's a bit far. Oi, yes, bro. Damn, I can't believe you actually held that trade. It came all the way down. Bro, it. Oh, snap. You know, it almost hit your. Oh, it went too far. Okay. I think these markets have been extremely clean recently. Hmm. Thing is, yo, I might stop streaming only because, or just for today, because I don't think I'll get a setup at all. This is like, it's gone too far for where I need it. I can make a better like thumbnail still. I mean, we kind of did show a winner, but just not like, not great. Was a little bit late too. Yeah, you know what? I'm gonna like, I'm gonna close the stream and then I'm gonna fix up some things and make it like way more juicy for tomorrow because tomorrow we should have a good session. I can't get involved in this unless we get like a 3 minute to discount.